Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to enter the boot menu on this watch. First we need to press and hold the home button and the back button together and keep holding them until the Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it appears on the screen. And once the logo appears on the screen, you will need to release the buttons and start pressing the home button repeatedly until you see the boot menu on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons together, keep holding them. Once you see the logo with rebooting under it, keep pressing the button, and after a second or two you should enter the boot menu. And here we have a couple of options, and to move through this menu you can use the home button by pressing it repeatedly. You can scroll through the list of options, and we have options like continue, ship mode, force upload mode, download mode, download wireless, factory, recovery, bootloader unlock, and power off. To confirm these selections in this menu, you need to press and hold the home button, and if you want to exit this menu, select continue or power off depending on what you want to do with your watch. If you want to boot into a system, select continue. If you want to turn it off, select power off, and then press and hold the home button like I said before to confirm. Okay, I'm back in the menu, and that's how you enter the boot mode or bootloader boot menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.